Welcome to the channel. Here's my dirty kitchen. She needs some attention today. We've got stuff that needs recycled. I see an empty beer can, an empty milk jug, an empty Dr. Pepper can. We had cousins over on the weekend. We've got scraps that need to go out to the chickens. We've got a wreath that fell off of the cabinet up here. It's laying over there. It needs to be put back up. We got stuff to do, so come along. Watch me try to get this baby cleaned up. Here we go. I got fruit flies in here. I do have fruit flies in here. Thank you very much. All right, see what's the chicks. Enjoy. right, my kitchen is clean. She's looking good. Well, pretty good. She like party ready? No. But she's ready to be cooked in, that's for sure. I hate cooking in a dirty kitchen. But my phone couldn't handle 20 minutes of me cleaning the kitchen because it filled up with storage. I ran out of storage space, so that's all that it could take. So I'm back to show you the finished product. Got me a little candle going because who doesn't love some yummy smells, especially in a clean kitchen? I went above and beyond, y'all. Above and beyond. I cleaned the microwave. Like, I cleaned this baby. And to do that, you have to take the door off. I mean, you don't have to, but I can't reach in there if I don't have to take the door off. If I don't take the door off. And let me tell you, that was tricky to figure out first time on my own. So there's dishes drying. I got the dishwasher going. The sink's cleaned up. I cleaned my Berkey filter. Filled it up. Got my wreath hung back up where it belongs. That's my driveway alarm. Still got a little pile of stuff over there. And I got a little pile of stuff over here. We'll get to that eventually. But I did wipe down the stovetop. So happy about that. Cleaned this sink over here. She is looking good. And I am happy. And we'll see what I come up with for supper. Probably leftovers, honestly, because we have so many leftovers in this house these days. We're actually taking applications for people who might want to come eat our leftovers. It's good food, I promise. Anyway, she's clean. I'm happy about it. Didn't take me too awful long. Never does. It's always bigger in your mind than it ever actually is to do, right? But anyway, thanks for coming along. Have a good one.